Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So for today, I want to present about the introduction for our business plan. So Heaven Room located in Bangi, Selangor is a 24/7 service facility designed for students, remote workers and young professionals. It offers study spaces, meeting rooms and in-house cafe, all in a prime location near educational institutions and corporate offices. So for Heaven Room was established on January 1st, 2024 and is located at Street Mall Bangi Gateway, Jalan Gerbang Kawasan 1, Section 15, Bandar Baru Bangi, Selangor. You can reach us via phone at 0315345671 and also you can visit our website at www.heavenroom.com or contact us via email at info@heavenroom.com. So for our core values are, for the community, we strive to foster a collaborative and welcoming environment. As for comfort, we ensure a cozy and peaceful atmosphere for focused work. And for the flexibility, we aim to meet the diverse needs of our users with a variety of services and space options. Our mission is to provide an accessible and comfortable space where students and remote workers can learn, collaborate and thrive in an inspiring environment. So for our vision is to become Bangi's go-to space for study and collaboration, inspiring productivity and community in a cozy, accessible environment. Moving on to infrastructure and facilities. For the infrastructure, we are targeting a 2-story shop lot layout. The ground floor will offer local services, vending machines and small pantry. Upstairs will house meeting rooms and a cozy study space with flexible seating. Essentials infrastructure elements include high-speed Wi-Fi, soundproof roofs and climate controls. So for the facilities, key features include 24/7 access, advanced presentation tools, vending machines and cafe services. Safety measures like CCTV, emergency exits and first aid kits ensure user security. So Heaven Room is a service-based facility offering rentable meeting rooms and study spaces that can be booked on an hourly or daily basis. For our services include 24/7 access to quiet and comfortable study spaces and cafe services offering a variety of beverages and next monthly membership plans with discounted rates of facilities. So for our primary target market consists of students from nearby educational institutions and employees from local businesses. We focus on the Bangi area due to its high concentration of universities, colleges and corporate offices. Regarding our workforce, we have key roles such as facility managers, cafe staff, cleaning staff, and maintenance personnel to ensure smooth operations. The key materials used in Heaven Room include soundproof panels for a quiet environment, high-quality, comfortable furniture, premium coffee machines, and digital screens for effective meetings. We are also exploring corporate partnerships with local coffee roasters, educational institutions, and tech providers to other discounted rates of hardware supplies. In terms of capacity, Heaven Room offers 4 to 5 meeting rooms suitable for a small to medium-sized group of 10 to 20 people. Study spaces that can accommodate around 20 to 40 people, ensuring a comfortable and spacious environment for all users. So I will be presenting an overview of strategies, infrastructure and factors critical to our project. The focus is on how we can establish and operate a versatile space tailored to various user needs. We will dive into multiple plant strategies, partnerships, infrastructure, facilities and the factors influencing our chosen site. So let's start with the multiple plant strategies. This involves tailoring operations across locations using the following approaches. So the first one is product plant strategy. Each location focuses on specific services. For instance, one location might target corporate clients with meeting rooms, while another provides a cozy cafe and study space for students. For market area plant strategy, sites are established in high demand clusters. For example, in Bangi, a test site can cater to nearby universities or residential hubs before expanding further. For process plant strategy, different operational tasks are assigned to specific sites. For example, one site might handle membership management, while another focuses on customer support. The key benefits of these strategies include scalability, risk management, and cost efficiency. Finally, let's discuss site-related factors. For land, strategically located in a commercial area with customers by shop lot units ranging from 1,500 to 1,800 square feet. For the transportation, accessible via major highways and close to public transport, ensuring convenience for students and workers. For the environment, surrounded by residential and commercial zones, providing a balance of quiet surroundings and a supportive business community. For the legal, the site is zoned for commercial use, ensuring no legal restriction and compliance with local building regulations. Now, let's explore regional factors and community considerations. Regional factors. We will source raw materials locally such as coffee from His Brew Coffee. Our target market includes students from nearby universities like UKM and UPM as well as workers in surrounding areas. Labour will primarily consist of part-time students and trained baristas. For the community considerations, we aim to provide a clean, comfortable space with healthy food options and a 24/7 accessible study area. Services like shared desks, Wi-Fi, photocopying and menu options for various dietary needs will enhance user experience.
My name is Yolisi and I will talk about ERP simulation. First, an ERP system can significantly enhance Heron Room's operations by automating and streamlining key processes. In booking and room management, ERP automates scheduling, preventing double bookings and managing time slots efficiently. It also sends automated notifications to customers, ensuring a smooth experience. In finance and payment processing, ERP tracks revenue and expenses in real time, automates invoicing, and helps forecast cash flow for better financial management and resource allocation. For inventory management, ERP monitors cafe and vending machine stock levels, preventing shortage and wastage while identified cost-saving opportunity. Finally, staff management benefits from optimizers shift scheduling, performance tracking, and integrated payroll, leading to a more efficient and organized team. With ERP, Heron Room can improve operational efficiency, customer satisfaction, and long-term growth. Next, ERP systems offer several key benefits that greatly improve business operations. First, centralized data management ensures consistency across departments by integrating all processes into a single database, eliminating data duplication and fostering better communication. Second, ERP boosts efficiency by automating routine tasks and streamlining workflows, reducing manual labor and errors, and allowing employees to focus on more strategy activities, increasing overall productivity. Third, ERP enhances decision making by providing real-time data and detailed reports, enabling management to make informed decisions quickly and respond effectively to change. Finally, ERP helps business save costs by optimizing resource use, streamlining supply chains, and reducing waste, ultimately improving profitability. In conclusion, ERP system drive business growth, operational efficiency, and smarter decision making. While ERP systems offer many advantages, they also come with notable drawbacks. One of the main challenges is ongoing maintenance costs. Regular system upgrades, renewals, and support service can be expensive, placing a financial burden on business, especially those with limited budgets. Another issue is the high initial investment. Developing and implementing an ERP system requires significant upfront costs, including licensing fees, installation, and employee training. For small and medium-sized business, this can be a barrier to adoption. Additionally, ERP system can be complex, requiring employees to learn how to use them effectively, which may temporarily reduce productivity and require further training. Lastly, data security is a concern. ERP systems store sensitive data, and if not properly protected, they can be vulnerable to breaches. In conclusion, business must weigh these disadvantages and plan carefully to manage the risks associated with ERP system. Using an ERP system comes with several risks. One major risk is dependence on the vendor. If the vendor goes out of business or fails to meet your needs, it can disrupt operations and lead to financial burdens. Integration and scalability issues are also a concern, as integrating ERP with existing systems can cause delays and inconsistency. And scaling the system as the business grows can be costly. System downtime due to the bug or network issue can disrupt operations, harm your reputation, and result in financial loss. To mitigate these risks, business should plan ahead by assessing needs and growth, providing training and support to ensure smooth transitions, select reliable vendors with strong performance and support, ensure regular system maintenance and updates, implement data backup and disaster recovery plans. This strategy help manage risk and ensure ERP system work effectively for the business.
Okay, for inventory simulation, there are inventory counting system and key inventory terms. Number two, economic order quantity, which is EOQ. Number three, economic production quantity, which is EPQ. And then lastly, quantity discount, inventory cycle, and reorder point. Okay, let's look at inventory counting system and key inventory terms. For inventory counting system, there are two types of counting system. First is perpetual inventory system, and the second one is periodic inventory system. Perpetual is mostly used for fast-moving cafe supplies such as coffee beans, fresh milk, and snacks. And the periodic inventory system used for fixed assets such as chairs, tables, digital screens, and soundproof panels. For key inventory terms, there are four types of terms. Number one is lead time. Number two, holding cost. Number three, ordering cost, and the last one is shortage cost. Lead time is for fresh milk. It took 2 days, and for coffee beans, it took 3 days. Holding cost is RM2 ringgit per unit for 1 year for cafe supply storage. The ordering cost is around RM30 ringgit for per order. Shortage cost is the lost cafe sales if coffee beans or the milk are not available. The economic order quantity is important to optimize order quantities to minimize costs. The formula is EOQ equals to square root 2DS per H. D stands for annual demand, S stands for ordering cost, and H stands for holding cost. So, for example, if we look at the slide, annual demand is 1200 kg, ordering cost is RM50 ringgit per order, and holding cost is RM10 ringgit per kg for 1 year. So, the answer is 110 kg for economic quarter order quantity. So to find the annual carrying cost, just put the formula EOQ per 2 times by holding cost equals to 550, and annual ordering cost, put the formula demand per EOQ times Ordering cost equals to 545.45. So totally, the total cost would be 1095.45. For economic production quantity, it's very important to optimize order quantities with gradual restocking. So let's have a look at this example of coffee beans inventory. The formula is EPQ equals to square root of 2DS per H times with delivery rate per delivery rate minus with usage rate. So we have the numbers here. Just put in the calculation and the answer would be 122 kg. This means that the optimal batch size for replenishing coffee in bean inventory is 122 kg per order, allowing for a continuous restocking process while minimizing stockouts. Okay, so let's have a look at the quantity discount, inventory cycle, and reorder point. Number one, the quantity discount. Just look at the table. If we order from 1 until 99 units, the price would be 15 ringgit. If the order number is 100 to 199, the price would be 14. And if the order is 200 plus, the price would go to RM 13 ringgit, the lowest cost. So the conclusion is ordering 200 plus units minimize the cost due to bulk discounts. Number two is the inventory cycle. It's visualizing stock depletion and replenishment over time. The key points here are the order quantity is 110 kg as we looked at before, and the usage rate is 20 kg per day. The prediction, so the cycle time is quantity over usage rate, so it would be around 5.5 days. This indicates that coffee beans need to be reordered approximately every 5.5 days. So lastly, the reorder point, it ensures the new stock is ordered before depletion. For the formula, equals to daily demand times with lead time plus safety stock. We need to have safety stock. So our safety stock would be around 10 kgs and the lead time would around 3 days and daily demand is 20 kg. Just put the numbers in the formula and we will get 70 kg. This means that when the inventory level of coffee beans drops to 70 kg, a new order should be placed to ensure timely replenishment before stock runs out. Thank you.
My name is Kilei Chun. Today I will be talking about forecasting. Forecasting is simply a prediction of a future value of a variable like demand. It helps managers develop systems and make better decisions. Forecasting can be short-term or long-term based on quantitative technique like formula or qualitative technique like expert opinion. Forecasting can be divided into three main types. First one, judgmental forecasting, time series forecasting, and associative models. Heaven Room gather valuable insight through this method. The first one, improve from Miss Yoli Si. As our financial manager, the second one, customer survey results. To refine our forecast, we apply to Delphi method. Expert opinion were gathered from Miss No Arya Maisara as our marketing and community manager and Miss Yoli Si as our financial manager. Meeting room forecast. On January 2024, capacity utilization was only 40%. From January 2025, demand forecasted to increase by 30%, reaching 70% utilization. Study space forecast. On January 2024, capacity utilization was only 50% as Heaven Room was newly established. On July 2024, utilization increased significantly to 85% due to the university exam period attracting students. Cafe and vending machine forecast. On January 2025, daily sales are expected to increase from 350 ringgit per day to 550 ringgit per day. Time series forecasting. Time series forecasting use historical data to predict the future, assuming past pattern will continue. Key techniques include naive method. The next period equals the previous one. Moving average. Average recent data point. Next, weighted average. Give more importance to recent data. The last one, exponential smoothing. Adjust forecast using past trends. 2.1 Naive method. Naive method is a forecasting technique to forecast any period equal the previous period actual value. These two tables show the forecasting for the meeting room and study space and also sales for small cafe and vending machine using the naive method. 2.2 Moving average. Moving average is a technique that averages a number of recent actual value updated as new value become available. This two table is a forecasting for the meeting room and study space and also for the sales of small cafe and vending machine using the moving average method. 2.3 Exponential smoothing. Exponential smoothing assigns exponentially decreasing weight for nearest to oldest observation. This is a picture showing the exponential smoothing formula and also the forecasting for the meeting room, study space, and sales for the small cafe and vending machine.
Associative models. Associative models use relationship between variables to make prediction. For example, in sales forecasting, factors like pricing and market size are analyzed. Technique includes regression analysis, identifying relationship between variables. Associative models. The dependent variable y is space utilization capacity in percentage, while the independent variable x includes some factor that could influence this capacity. The number of students and workers in the area is x1, the start date of the semester is x2, and competitor rental price is x3. Heaven Room uses a multi-method forecasting approach to make informed decisions. This approach combines subjective insight with objective data for more accurate prediction and better decision making. This integrated forecasting strategy provides key benefits: optimize space utilization across meeting room and study space, enhance sales performance for the cafe and vending machine, improve decision making by alignment strategy with customer demand and market trend.
So for the digital practice part, Heaven Room uses technologies like artificial intelligence, AI, cloud computing, blockchain, big data, digital payment system, and Internet of Things system in its daily operations to enhance sustainability and operational efficiency. Firstly, big data is used to analyze customer feedback and workspace usage patterns with the help of AI. With the help of the data and AI, Heaven Room can identify reasons for service dissatisfaction, enabling corrective measures like price adjustment or service improvement. It also helps to predict demand and maximize the space efficiency. Next, cloud computing securely stores essential data like contracts, which can accessible anytime and anywhere. This reduces paper usage and support our zero carbon goal by 2040 years. While the blockchain technology ensures transparency in rental contracts and utility payments, building trust and accurate transaction tracking. For the Internet of Things system (IoT), has automated supplier management and help monitor equipment. It notifies about maintenance needs, minimizing disruption and waste, enhancing customer experience. Last but not least, digital payment system, including e-wallets, can streamline transactions, ensuring transparency and faster payment. For the benefit of digitalization, the adoption of digital technologies provide Heaven with economic benefits such as reduced costs, efficient processes, and fewer manual errors. While for the social advantages, digital technologies offer a greater transparency and help to build a stronger customer trust. From an environmental perspective, digital practice has reduced paper usage and promote a low carbon practice, promoting sustainability and aligning with Heaven Room's eco-friendly goals. Despite its benefit, Heaven Room also face challenges in digitalization. The high initial cost of purchasing suitable technologies and training employees is a major problem. For example, the expense of purchasing suitable tools, systems, and infrastructure. The lack of skilled workers also result in slower implementation and increased dependency on external technical support. Another significant issue is data security. The use of digital platform and cloud-based systems expose data to potential cyber attack, unauthorized access, or breaches. Although challenges exist, the long-term benefit outweigh the cost, making digitalization a crucial investment for the future.
The easiest way to reach energy efficiency is reduce energy. To reduce energy, Heaven Room used a combination of natural light and LED light in the building design. Large window with curtain provide natural light, while hybrid lighting system will detect the natural light and adjust the LED light accordingly. Besides, Heaven Room used solar power heating, ventilation, and air conditioning HVAC system to reduce the greenhouse gas emission and cost. Secondly, Heaven Room collaborate with several recycling center and waste management partner to deal with the waste. Most of the waste will be recycling and some of the waste like empty toner will send back to the manufacturer. Heaven Room choose supplier who offer renewable, biodegradable, and recyclable raw material. Heaven Room encourage customer to adopt green habits like switch off the light before leaving, throwing rubbish into the right recycle bin, and bring their own coffee cups. For staff, Heaven Room had prepared regular training session on waste management, energy conservation, and sustainable practice. The significant benefit of green practice in Heaven Rooms is cost saving and efficiency. Hybrid lighting system and renewable HVAC system in Heaven Room can reduce electricity consumption and lower the utility bills. Energy efficient equipment can reduce maintenance costs, while digital booking system, online payment method, and e-receipt can help to minimize operation costs and waste disposal. Next, solar power HVAC and LED lighting help to reduce greenhouse gas emission and contribute to reducing climate change. Waste management program also help to reduce landfill waste and decrease the pollution. Customers nowadays prefer green product or company that apply green practice. Heaven Room can create a positive impression on the customer, and this will help Heaven Room to gain competitive edge, which help to foster customer loyalty and boost sales. First challenge is high initial investment cost. A full set of solar system and energy efficient equipment require high investment. This may cause Heaven Room facing financial problem at early stage. Second, supplier and partner limitation. It is hard to find a certified supplier that offers sustainable material or packaging. Usually the supplier will charge higher price due to limited green sourcing. Last, some customer may prefer traditional method and doesn't care about sustainability. Also, they may prioritize comfort and convenience over eco-conscious action. This may cause higher utility cost for Heaven Room.